Open. Let's agree to all because I'm doing this. I have to do this. Okay, I'll quickly do this. Okay, look. So today we're doing a video. I just moved over to my iPad because I need to do a transfer by phones. Oh, it's required. I'll just quickly skip that and sign in later. Yes, please. Skip account setup. Oh, I need to copy. I'll quickly unplug the phone and plug it back in. Let's click next. Let's agree. Allow. Alright, I'll quickly use the same cable. Okay, here, let's hit cable on both. I already connected it. Alright, just hit the connect button. Now it's connected. We do not disconnect the cable whilst it's in process. Otherwise, it will do something wrong. And we'd be totally in trouble. Now, I already updated this one. I'll click everything. And I'll just hit the copy button. Oh, I need fingerprint. Okay, so this is the thingy. I'll click next. Anyway, I'll enable the keep screen on. Because we need to keep the screen on. I have cable connected. I have dark mode on the left one. Oh, yes, it did transfer. And it turns on the night light. And the settings. It says keep the cable connected. Once setup is done, you can check the status of your transfer in the notifications. It's doing its thing. Let's wait. Oh, okay. I don't care. I'll just click on accept. I'll skip the thing. I'll skip it. I'll skip it for now. Actually, I'll go back and set a password. Okay, look, it's saying access your assistant. Let's click on more. After setting up the password, yes, I'll allow, I agree. Yeah, it's getting the phone ready. And it just switched to dark mode for no reason. Oh, it's because it's transferring. Oh, Samsung wallet, don't please, no. I'll skip it. I'll use customization service to do this because I need help from Samsung sometimes. Oh, it's already set already? $13 to $17, okay. I'm gonna do it later. Yes. And look what we've got. And my settings are already here. Okay, let's see what it's doing. Alright, it's still transferring. Oh, it's still transferring. Let's keep the screen on. Oh, screen will dim after 30 seconds of inactivity. Okay, let's see let's wait for it to do so. I just made my phone a little faster by reducing animations just a little bit. But there are still some kind of animations on here. So this one's slower, this one's faster. This one, 2023. This one, 2024. And I have some papers. I'll take them away. Here it is. It's still transferring. And 25 point. Oh, it reached up to 26. Oh, it's doing its thing. Nice one. I changed this to Samsung messages because I'd rather use Samsung messages rather than Google. I'll just rather use Samsung's messages instead. Okay, look at this. It's probably. I don't know. No, I'm gonna. As soon as the transfer finishes, I'll turn off the phone and update the software tomorrow.